Good morning, children. Children, in our last literacy class, we have discussed about the phonic sound of O. And in your literacy skill sheet book, we have read out some words. Today, we will learn some new words of vowel O, and we will do some practice work or writing work also. So for that we need my second book of phonic. When you will open the page number 60, you will see these words. So first let me take my color, my brush, then we will start. First we will read op words. Up, up, k, up, cop. Repeat after me. K, up, cop. Up, hop. Up, mop. T, up, top. Now I will take another color and we will read ought words. Ought, ought. K, ought, cot. D, ought, dot. H, ought, hot. P, ought, pot. Now we will go to oy words. Oy, O-Y, O-W, oy. B, oy, boy. J, oy, joy. T, oy, toy. K, oy, coy. Now, og words. Ug, ug. D, og, dog. Og, fog. J, og, jog. L, og, log. Now we will read ox word. P, ox, pox. B, ox, box. Ox, fox. K, ox, cox. Now go to last ob. K, ob, cub. J, ob, job. R, ob, rub. M, ob, mob. Children, when we have learned about vowel A, E, I, that time also we have read this word. We have learned some word in literacy scale sheet book. We have learned some word from our phonic book. Now, children, what you have to do, you have to go to the next page. In the next page, it is practice time. Okay. Again, I need my brush and I will take my brush, then I will read. What is the instruction? Recognize the picture and complete the words by filling the letter O in the box. Yes. Whatever the pictures, they are all O vowel O words. So it is a 3-letter vowel O words where the O in between. Because हम जब 3-letter words पढ़ते हैं vowel के, हमें पता है एक उसके पहले consonant होता है, बीच में vowel होता है, and end sound consonant भी हो सकता है, vowel भी हो सकता है, right? So अभी हम लोग वो जो vowel है that is missing वो हम डालेंगे, but after recognizing the picture. What is this? Cot. K, ought. So you have to write O here. Cot. What is this? Box. B, ox. O. Okay. Now, what is this? L, og, log. Write O. L, og, log. What is this? D, ought, dot. D, ought, dot. Who is he? Boy. B, oy, boy. What is this? D, og, dog. See, as I am using my brush now, it goes on G. But you have to write in the middle box. I will show you how. See, here a girl is singing. What kind of song is she singing? It's a pop song. That's why it is given P. One box is empty, then P is pop, pop, pop. the type of song. P-op, pop. What is this? Pot, pot. गमला जिसमें हम पौधे लगाते हैं. We put sapling on this, no, to get a beautiful plant. Pot, pot. Now what is this? Cow, cow. O. Now O, huh? Now I am showing you. I have written clearly. Let me take my brush. Can you see? I have written O in middle box. Can you see, children? With pencil. Huh? Here I have not written with my brush. Can you see? Yes. In this way you have to complete this page. Now we will go to the next page. Next page, what is written? Recognize the picture and circle the correct words. Again I need my brush. For one picture, two words are there. Can you see? We have to circle the name of the picture. So first, what is this? Top. 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 Now what is this? Green peas. Yes, this is green peas. But green peas का जो एक that is called pod. इसको pod बोलते हैं. Pod. 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 Pod of green peas. Okay. What is this? Mop. Up. Mop. What is this? Log. 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 What is this, children? This is fishing rod. जिससे हम fish को पकड़ते हैं. Fish this helps to catch fish. Rod. Rod. What is this? Dog. Dog. And what is this? Ox. Fox. And here is a cup is there. And can you see some sign here? Yes. So it means this cup, something is there in the cup which is hot. This symbol means hot. Hot. Understood? Now I will show you. I have done with pencil. See, in this way you have to do. You have to recognize the picture, then you have to say the name. When you say the name, you have to listen to you. Say, for example, top. Up. So you have to find where is T. So this is top. Okay, in this way you have to do. Now we need our literacy skill sheet book. Yes, in this book you have to open page number 55. Yes, another practice time. Write the correct word from each picture and take help from the help box. आपके पास help box है, आपको पिक्चर रिकॉग्नाइज करना है और हेल्प बॉक्स से उसका नाम लेके लिखना है. एंड वाइल यू आर राइटिंग यू हैव टू से एंड राइट. इन दिस वे यू विल लर्न द स्पेलिंग ऑफ दिस वर्ड्स. एंड एज यूजुअल जैसे पहले भी हम लोगों ने ऐसे AEI में किया है. यहाँ पे जो वर्ड्स है ये ट्रेस करना है. इनका नाम उन्होंने ऑलरेडी लिख के दिया है जो आपको ट्रेस करना है. उसके बाद यहाँ पे इन दोनों ये सारे पिक्चर्स के नाम विद द हेल्प ऑफ हेल्प बॉक्स यू हैव टू राइट. हाउ? लेट्स टर्न द पेज. सी, फर्स्ट इट इज रिटन काउ. इज अ पिक्चर ऑफ अ काउ एंड ट्रेसिंग में भी आपको काउ लिखा है. COW. काउ. नाउ व्हाट इज दिस? फॉक्स. सी, here is the fox. Ox. Fox. What is this? Mop. Up. Mop. Children, while you write, you say the way I am doing. For example, you are tracing cow. So you should say till you end cow. Cow. जब तक आपका ट्रेसिंग खत्म नहीं होता है. Then you come to here fox. Ox. Fox. Now how we will find out the words from help box? Listen to the first sound. Ox. Fox. The first sound is where is the F word? Yes, here is one word which is started with F. Now see, after that is it ox? Yes, then it is the spelling of fox. So write here, and while writing ox. Fox. Ox. Fox. Okay. Similarly with the mop. Up. Mop. Now we will go to next page. next line. In the next line, we have written the first line. Now go to the next line. Here it is given pot. So when you are tracing pot, 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 pot. What is this? Oglog. So find out. Here it is. Similarly, listen to the first sound and find out the word. Oglog. Now see, this is also L word, this is also L word. So you will get confused which one is log and log. अगर दोनों फर्स्ट साउंड सिमिलर दो वर्ड्स हैं तो आप कैसे पकड़ोगे? पहले यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द एल वर्ड्स. जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे लॉग, अभी आपने देखा यहाँ पे भी एल है, यहाँ पे भी एल है. देन विच वन? देन लिसन टू द नेक्स्ट साउंड, एंड साउंड. ऑग, 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 ऑग. सो सी, yes, here it is. You can write. Similarly, lock, ok, lock, ock, ok. It is the end sound. So you can write it. Now go to the next line, the last line. Ka, ot, coat. It is given here and tracing also. Ba, ot, boat. Ba, ot, boat. Ka, ok, cock. This is not hen. This is cock. Okay. Ka, ok, cock. Children, whenever you are writing vowel words, whenever you are writing 3-letter or 4-letter words, always repeat while writing, because it will help you to keep it in your mind. And today we have done so many practice work. Why? Just to make ourselves perfect, because practice makes us perfect. तो अब जितना प्रैक्टिस करोगे उतना आपके लिए अच्छा है, उतना न्यू वर्ड्स यू विल लर्न, राइट चिल्ड्रन? सो टिल देन, बाय, टेक केयर.